Ever wondered where your money goes when you use Airwallex? Who's the big bank behind the scenes? Airwallex, the global financial platform, has been making waves in the fintech industry. But who are the financial institutions powering this innovative platform? Let's dive into the world of banking partnerships and uncover the secrets behind Airwallex's operations. The importance of banking partnerships. A strong banking partnership is crucial for any fintech company. It provides access to essential services like payment processing, facilitating seamless transactions across borders; currency exchange, enabling efficient foreign exchange operations; regulatory compliance, ensuring adherence to complex financial regulations. Airwallex's strategic approach. Airwallex has adopted a strategic approach to banking partnerships. Instead of relying on a single institution, they've forged relationships with multiple banks globally. This diversified approach offers several advantages. Resilience. By spreading risk across various partners, Airwallex can mitigate potential disruptions. Flexibility. This strategy allows them to adapt to changing market conditions and customer needs. Global reach. Partnering with banks in different regions enables Airwallex to expand its services worldwide. Key banking partners. While Airwallex maintains confidentiality regarding specific details of their partnerships, we can identify some key players in the industry that often collaborate with fintech companies like Airwallex. Traditional banks, established financial institutions with a strong global presence and robust infrastructure. Payment processors, companies specializing in processing electronic payments, such as Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Clearing houses, organizations that facilitate the exchange of payments between financial institutions. The future of fintech partnerships. As the fintech industry continues to evolve, we can expect to see innovative partnerships between fintech companies and traditional banks. These collaborations will drive further innovation, improve financial services, and reshape the global financial landscape. While Airwallex may not disclose the specific names of all its banking partners, it's clear that they've built a strong network of financial institutions to support their operations. By understanding the importance of strategic partnerships, Airwallex is well positioned to continue its growth and success in the years to come. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.